Hai Selin sayang. Selin sayang. Selin sayang. Now is about 1 something a.m. It is on Wednesday, 18th of June 2025. Selin sayang. Yeah, I have been sleeping from about 7 a.m. to now, so about 6 hours. So now I wake up and I want to do some work. Good morning sayang. Good morning sayang. Thank you so much, okay? You never stop watching my video. Thank you so much for that. I truly appreciate that, okay? Okay sayang. I love you so much. I miss you. Bye, delicious. Bye, Selin sayang. My honey, my sweet, my delicious. Bye. Love you sayang. Love you gorgeous girl. Bye.